Hey guys, so today I got a package for you guys. I'll show you guys who it's from. It's from Ronin Kendama. Pretty stoked on this. It's I ordered a maple. It's basically like a GT, like a Green Theory, but it's cheaper and there's more of them produced, and you could get more of them. So let's open this thing. Alright. Oh, there's the bubble wrap. That failed. And here it is. Oh my god, look at that box. Bro. Dang, look at that. Ronin Kendama Natural Maplewood. Alright, let's open this. I don't even know how to. Oh my god. Okay, so you open it from right here, I believe. Or is there like. Oh yeah, you open it from here. Oh my god, there it is. Boom. Alright. Oh my god. Alright, what else is in here? It's just some stickers, Ronin stickers. And that's about it. No extra string, but whatever. Here it is. Oh my god, this thing is amazing. It feels so smooth. Oh. As you can see right there, you can see the swoop, like from Green Theory. And right there is the wormhole. Oh my god, dude. The spike's a bit short, but I'm sure I could push that down. Oh my god, this thing is... the cups don't go that deep, but I don't really care. First spike missed. Oh my god, dude. I'm gonna string this on the wormhole and I'm gonna see how it plays, so I'll be right back once I string this. Alright guys, so I just got it strung on the wormhole right there, and I'm gonna see how it plays. Oh my god, that's so weird. It's like super different. Wait, let me get my chair out of the way. Oh my god. Move my chair. Oh my god, what? I guess it's pretty cool. And oh my god. So let's test out some things on this. Let's test out the lunar balance. Let's see if it has good lunar balance. Yeah, that has super good lunar balance, dude. Now the thing I like about the wormhole is you don't have to string it left-handed or right-handed. You can just have it go there, or you can have it go there. So, oh my god, this thing's sick. Let's see the bird balance. Pretty good. Handle stalls. Yeah. Now. Dang, this is awesome. This is gonna be my new jammer, dude. I might put another tom on this or something. Yeah, so that's about it. Ronin Kendama. I'll put the link out in the description where you can buy these. They're a pretty new brand, and they're a really good brand. So you should go check them out. Maybe cop one of the katanas. And yeah, so that's about it for this video. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video. Peace.